Want to charge clients for consultations, coaching sessions, or freelance services while keeping the payment process professional and seamless? With Jotform, you can easily add service charges and collect payments in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you 2 different ways to add a service fee to your form. This is the quickest method. In Form Builder, click the shopping cart icon on your payment field to open the product list. Go to the Tax tab, enter your service charge percentage. If you want, you can rename the label. That's it. Your service charge will now automatically be calculated and included in the total. You can only add one entry in the Tax tab, so if you already use it for tax, you'll need another method to add a separate service fee. If you need both tax and a service fee, this method gives you more flexibility. Here's how. Click the Products tab in the Product List settings. Click the Add Product button at the top. Type in the name, price, and description for your service fee. Make sure to toggle the Required button on. Make sure it is selected by default, then click Save. Next, click the gear icon to open the Properties and click on the Category tab. Add a new category and name it something like Additional Fees, and then click the plus Add button. Under that category, add the new product called Service Fee. Now, the service fee will automatically be included in the total, and customers won't be able to remove it. Click on Preview Form and add a product to your cart, and you'll see the service fee included in the item list, tax calculated separately in the subtotal, if enabled. Use option 1 if you only need a simple percentage-based service charge. Use option 2 if you need both tax and service fees or more control over pricing. And that's how you collect payments for services in Jotform using 2 simple methods. Whether you're charging hourly rates, fixed pricing, or professional fees, Jotform makes it easy to get paid quickly and professionally. Give it a try, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.